Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a not really first impression, but I guess review on the brand new Laura Los Angeles Nudie Patootie palette. I say not first impression because I did get to play with it one time since I've gotten it, but we'll get into that more in the video. So yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to go over price points and information about the palette. So if you are interested in what I have to say, then please keep on watching. Also, don't forget to please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I do upload. And if you enjoy this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first things first, this is what the palette looks like. This palette retails for $45, and then there is a shipping and handling of $6.50. So it's a little bit more pricier than the Cat's Pajamas. Cat's Pajamas retailed for $40, but there was also an additional $6.50 charge. Cat's Pajamas does have 10 shadows. This one does have 14 shadows. So if you break that down per shadow, the Nudie Patootie per shadow is $3 and around 22 cents, and the Cat's Pajamas is $4 on the nose per shadow. So the cost of shadow did go down, which is good to hear. The palette is a lot bigger than the Laura Los Angeles, or I'm sorry, the Cat's Pajamas one. So it is a lot bigger, but then again, there's more shadows. I loved the old packaging. However, I know a lot of people had issues with it not being cohesive, it being a little bit too cheesy, the shade colors not making any sense, what have you. I personally, as far as packaging goes, I don't mind any of those things, but for the quality, I really appreciated the quality. So my thing is more quality. People like appearance, I don't know. So going in, sorry. So it says Nudie Patootie right here. This is the Laura Los Angeles logo. Here is the Laura Los Angeles emblem. You guys can see that. On the back of the palette, it does say her social media. This palette is, the unicarton is recyclable. It has a 12-month shelf life, and it is cruelty free, so that is always good. Once you get into the palette, again, it's more of a cohesive theme going through from the unicarton to the palette. So this is the palette. It does have raised lettering that say Nudie Patootie right there. You could see it. And it feels really like, I don't know, it just feels like heavy and luxurious. And there again is the Laura Los Angeles logo. My nails do match because I do love nudes. I have like so many nude things. It's ridiculous. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. It comes with a huge mirror. Oh, look, my candy lips is over there somewhere. There it is. It comes with a huge mirror. Other people had problems with the Cat's Pajamas one being obstructed. I didn't have a problem with it. I thought that the flower design was gorgeous. I don't know. And then these are the palettes, or these are the eyeshadows. Going along with the outside theme, they all do have nude or naked sounding names. Stark, undressed, topless, streaking, uncover, strip, bare, exposed, au naturel, reveal, jaybird, butt naked, buff, and naked naked. This is a very gorgeous palette. Now, I do have to tell you, when I received my palette, it did come damaged, and I did reach out to Laura Los Angeles, and the customer service was amazing. They were able to get right back to me and figure everything out so that I was able to get a new palette, because au naturel literally was crumbling outside of the pan, and that really broke my heart. I know a lot of people have had issues with that. Once I got a replacement palette, I touched it and I realized, okay, that's what it was. It's just a super, super soft shadow that if you knock it around a little bit, it's going to pop out. That is more than likely what it is. I wasn't that mad about it. I was able to get a replacement one, and now I'm filming this video for you guys. So that is that. Now, I'm going to try to do some swatches for you guys, but we all know I'm not really good at them. So let's attempt this right now. From left to right, it goes stark, undressed, topless, streaking, uncover, strip, and then bare. This is the second row. We have exposed, au naturel, reveal, jaybird, butt naked, buff, and nakey. Excuse my arms, they're a little bit hairy, but yeah. So all I just did was use concealer and I set my eye with the Makeup Revolution banana powder that I love. Now I'm going to take this crease brush. I literally still have Morphe brushes that I purchased in January that I haven't even used yet, and I refuse to use them until I do it on camera. I'm so behind, but I've been really busy lately, so sorry. Anyway, so I'm going to take the Real Techniques brush. It is a little bit dirty, but I think it's just from being stained. So I am going to try to take Stripped, which is like this mustardy yellow. Oh my god, it comes up amazing on camera. And the colors are coming a lot truer on camera than they do, oh my gosh, I think on like Laura Lee's own website. That's amazing. You guys know I always have a hard time with things coming up truer. So I'm going to use this as my transition shade. Oh, you guys just saw that. The color is very pigmented. If you guys see like my forehead glistening, it's sweat. It's literally like 90 degrees. I can't put the air conditioner on because it's too loud. Oh wow, that blended out beautifully. I think next I'm going to take Reveal and I'm going to pop it right into the deep crease. There's not a lot of kickback on the actual palette. Let's see if I can show you. So there's like nothing, so that's good. I'm just going to take a clean, fluffy brush and just kind of like diffuse that because it went up too high. Next I'm going to take a Butt Naked, which is this darker mauve color, it looks like. Take a tiny, tiny bit of that. And bring it into the inner corner, over, and then to the outer corner for like a halo. Or, not a halo, a spotlight. So I'm going to go off camera to kind of open up that space with some concealer, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I literally have no idea what happened, but it doesn't appear that I was recording, and now I'm kind of really pissed, but I don't want to start all over, so I'm just kind of annoyed. So I'm just going to run down what I did for you guys. So I was going to do a halo look, but unfortunately my concealer and I had a bit of a disagreement, so it's a full-on cut crease. On the inner third I took Topless, which is this beautiful light pink shade. Of course I nicked it. Which is that beautiful pink shade, and then on the middle Third, I took Jaybird, which is that gorgeous glitter pink that you have to either use wet or use with your finger. I used it with a glitter glue and my finger, and I got this amazing, amazing pigmentation. Also, you have to do the same thing with Au Naturel. These two shades specifically, Laura Lee tells us to use either with a wet brush or our fingers. I prefer to use them with glitter glue because I just purchased glitter glue and I was playing with it the other day along with this palette, and the pigmentation and just the vibrancy of the two glitter shadows were amazing. So that's just how I'm going to use them. I'm not going to use a wet brush. I'm going to use my finger and glitter glue, and that's it. So I'm going to go and finish the rest of my face. Quickly, I'm going to run down everything that's on my face. I have the Pretty Vulgar, the ink gel liner that was in this month's BoxyCharm. Doesn't even say it on here. Huh. On my eyes, I have Tarteist mascara. These are Ardell's 5 something. I always do this, but it's literally the same one. Not 5. 810 or 811. I have Maybelline Superstay foundation on my face. I have the Pure Sculpture Kit, also from BoxyCharm this month. I have Essence Satin Blush on my cheeks. The Amrezy highlighter. The lippy I literally just had in my hand and now I can't find it. Oh, here it is. So the lippy is the Girl Lactic Matte Lip Paint in Posh that came from a BoxyCharm a couple months ago. Am I forgetting anything? Eyeliner, contour, highlight, lipstick. Oh, and the CoverFX Illuminating Setting Spray, only I didn't shake it, so it's not super glittery. I find that if you don't shake it around, it's not super glittery, that it's just a regular or less glittery setting spray. Anywho, all that stuff will be listed down below, but right now I'm going to take the Vintage Cosmetic Company Step 3 Go Girl Go brush, and I'm going to do some stuff to my bottom lash line. I know I normally don't. So I used pretty much... Okay, so I'm going to take Nakey, which is like the dark brown shade right here that I haven't used, and I'm going to dab into it. Oh, that's too much. Yeah, that's going to be super hella dark. Also, I wanted to take this brush right here. I don't even know what this is. This is just a brush that I probably got off like a Wish app or something. I want to pop this right in my inner corner. Hopefully that'll show up. Yeah, there we go. And maybe a little bit on the brow bone. Oh, that shade is called Stark, by the way. Oh wow, it's really pretty. It has like a pinkish shift to it. Oh god, yeah, that's gorgeous. It's like a rose gold pink shift. Okay, I had high hopes for this palette just based off of the Cat's Pajamas one. I thought the Cat's Pajamas palette was really good quality. I just really love this palette. So yeah, I would definitely repurchase this. I would purchase it for someone that travels with their makeup. I mean like a makeup artist. I'm friends with a few. So I would purchase that for them. But I don't know, I really love the palette, and the gorgeous everything is just like so cohesive. She heard your issues, not mine, because I personally liked Cat's Pajamas. She heard your issues, she changed it. She gave you more shades at a cheaper price point, so I think that's pretty cool. She gave you a unobstructed mirror. That's what you wanted. It's longer, it's bigger, it's more pigmented, it has more of like a cohesive theme. So I don't know, I love it, I approve. I love Laura Lee, like I said. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.